Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Jamaican rice and peas. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of dried gungo peas, 2 cups of basmati rice, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, a few sprigs of fresh thyme, and 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper. Also have a small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a teaspoon of salt ready. These specific items are key to an authentic, flavorful rice and peas. Start by soaking your dried gungo peas in about 4 cups of water overnight. This crucial step greatly shortens their cooking time. The next day, drain the peas, rinse them well, and then place them into a clean pot with 5 cups of fresh water. Bring them to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until they are tender, which usually takes about 1 hour. Remember to reserve all the delicious cooking liquid. Now it is time to build the foundational flavors for your rice and peas. In a large pot, gently sauté 1 small, finely chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil for about 3 minutes until fragrant. Carefully add a whole Scotch bonnet pepper, making sure not to burst it, along with 2 sprigs of fresh thyme. This combination infuses a wonderful, authentic Caribbean aroma into the dish. To the aromatic base, add the cooked gungo peas, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, and enough of the reserved pea cooking liquid to total 4 cups of liquid. Stir in 2 cups of thoroughly rinsed basmati rice and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly and let it simmer undisturbed for 20 to 25 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.